Moving to Phoenix, Arizona could be, well, it could be really good, or it could completely suck. It could totally screw up your life if it's not the right move. Hey, I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham. More than that, I'm a longtime zoning. Been here forever, most of the last 43 years or so. So I can give you a real perspective on this place. And I think the best way to get to the bottom line here is to put it all on the table. The good, the bad, the ugly, the whole enchilada. That way, you can make a solid decision. You don't want to end up on the wrong side of a wild hair. You got to nail this straight away. And this video will do that for you. Plus, if you stick around to the end, I'll show you how to make moving to Phoenix cheap, cheap, cheap. It's going to be epic. No, you know what? It's going to be sight. So let's get to it. Let's talk about those things that make moving to Phoenix, Arizona your dream home, or I don't know, some sort of Freddy Krueger Nightmare on Elm Street kind of a thing. Ooh, maybe I should edit that out. So here's how this is going to go. I'm not going to cast a vote. That's your job. You're the one who knows if something fits or not. I'm just going to put it all on the table. Then look at it all and decide if it's for you or not. And as I go through these things, you can think about how or if they impact you. Make sure to leave me a comment down below if you got an opinion or a question. Okay, ready? Number one, Phoenix is a big city. It's not a town. This is a massive place. It's actually 3 times the landmass of Los Angeles and only 1/3 the people. So there's a lot of elbow room here, and that might be why the LA freeways are so freaking crowded compared to this place. We've got roughly 30 cities and towns here in the Phoenix metro. So let me ask you, do you enjoy the city life? Yes? No? Or do you prefer living out in open space? Well, if so, then maybe the outer perimeter of the Phoenix metro might work for you. And number 2 has got to be the weather. Now listen, if you hate the heat, don't come here. And I know it's kind of a joke, but that whole thing about it's a dry heat, well, it's really kind of true. This isn't one of those places where you need a shower as soon as you walk outside because of the humid air. I like the weather here year round because it allows me to be outside. I mean, like all the time. We like it that way. That's why we live here. I'm not one of those to be cooped up inside all day long. Okay, number 3. Houses aren't expensive compared to a lot of places. If you're a renter, be ready. The average rent on a 2-bedroom apartment here in Phoenix is a little over $1,500 according to NerdWallet. But that rent payment is about what your mortgage payment would be on a $300,000 piece of real estate here in Phoenix. Just saying. Hey, I'm a real estate agent. Can't help myself. It's what I do. And number 4 is transportation. Our transportation, especially our freeways, are outstanding. You can really get around in our town. Our freeway system, in my opinion, is the best of all large cities in the entire U.S. Sky Harbor International Airport is super accessible. It's only about 10 minutes from my house. And the city streets are wide and modern, not cramped like a lot of the streets that you'd see back on the East Coast. But if you get nervous in city traffic, you better plan on using public transportation or living in a part of town where you can walk to the things that matter to you. So the places that come to mind for me are maybe downtown Phoenix or Tempe might be the ticket for you. And number 5 is outdoor living. If you're a person who wants to be outside as much as possible, then Phoenix it's perfect. Here at my house, we like to be outside like all the time. We cook outside. We enjoy many of our meals on the patio. We like to walk around the Arizona Biltmore Circle. There are some serious hiking trails within a mile of my front door. We enjoy swimming all summer long. We golf year round here. There's a playlist about Greater Phoenix neighborhood and a video about the cost of living here in Phoenix. Those are right up here. Seriously, I could go on and on about Phoenix, but those videos will open your mind about how moving to Phoenix, Arizona could be your best move ever. I'll see you there.